Welcome to the show, everyone. It's the Crypto Alert coming to you from New Zealand, bringing you this May 16th edition of what is happening in crypto. Bitcoin, $8,524, down 2.85% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum, 711, down nearly 3% in the last 24 hours. A sea of red that the crypto markets have not seen since a couple weeks ago. A couple outliers, though. We do see today Zcash is up on news that will be listed on the Gemini exchange. Decred still maintaining gains made earlier in the week. Augur and Dentacoin both still up as well. Microsoft's search engine Bing says it will ban crypto-related ads by July 28th. Not Bing! Not Bing! Oh my goodness, no! Well, Bing is one of the world's largest search engines. This is a worrying trend that we have been seeing. Now we need, of course, is Yahoo to come out and Yandex to come out, and then we will indeed have basically a blanket ban across crypto-related ads. An unfortunate situation, but one that won't be maintained forever. There will come a time when they will turn back around as they find a way to take advantage of these businesses. It's interesting, though, because I gotta feel that they've got to be losing a lot of money on this, because all this ICO advertising is simply not going to be happening, or at least not happening the way they wanted to. I did have my ad blocker turned off briefly the other day, and all I saw was cryptocurrency advertising, so I don't know what they're talking about when they say they're all going to ban it. IBM to issue cryptocurrency token on public Stellar blockchain. Cool. Now, this is in particular going to be a carbon credits trading scheme coming to the Stellar blockchain via IBM. Interesting use case for sure. Nice to see that IBM Stellar partnership really starting to come to fruition. Japanese farmers begin organic vegetable blockchain pilot. Of course, this is a good idea. We really love the idea of seeing supply chain, getting food from the farmer to your table. Organic vegetables are a perfect scenario. I know here at my own local markets, it's really hard to find anything organic, and even things that might be said to be organic by the person selling, you can't really trust them because you don't actually know unless they have their certifications sitting there on the wall, which at the market they tend not to. BitGo courts Wall Street with new Bitcoin custody products. This will become a more and more popular trend as we see this big money coming in. They want to outsource the custody of these very valuable digital assets to someone else. They don't want to have the private keys sitting around on their desk in their Wall Street office necessarily. Some of them will. But we talked about this the other day with Zappo, where they are literally having underground bunkers for private keys. We also have, of course, Coinbase working on custodianship as well. So this will become more and more popular as this big money comes in. Fed official James Bullard. Cryptocurrencies could bring chaos to the U.S. economy. He said the country has not faced this sort of dilemma since the 1830s. People have not liked that kind of thing. They want a uniform kind of thing. A dollar is a dollar, he said. The threat's real, guys. Because when people start using all these cryptocurrencies to make payments, the value of the dollar, the authority of the dollar, and of course, the things that the dollar funds come into question. Interesting comments from a Federal Reserve Bank chief. Circle says Bitmain leads the $110 million investment round. Bitmain, of course, going big in here. They have a lot of money to spend, so they're starting to diversify their investments a little bit. They also come out and say that they are looking at making a USD Tether alternative. Interesting. Of course, we have quite a few stablecoins out there now. I'm much more compelled by models like Maker or Haven, which are blockchain-based alternatives. Tether, or what Circle comes out with, may not be so compelling for me, but we'll have to wait and see what Circle actually comes out with in the end. Ethereum Classic Labs have been launched. This, of course, will be an incubator trying to get people to build on top of the Ethereum Classic blockchain. Time will tell if it does have success, but it's certainly a good move, and I hope that it is successful for Ethereum Classic. Q-Link has rebranded to QLC Chain. Cool. Really wanting to focus on their network as a service concept. Rebrands are always nice. This wasn't a very hyped rebrand. They just kind of rebranded. So that's cool. Joint venture between Icon and Line Unchained. Now, Line is a global social platform with more than 200 million monthly users. That's really big. Now, they are co-founding Unchained to build Line's blockchain network using Icon. That's pretty big. That's a great partnership for Icon to get and could really add a lot of value to the Icon blockchain and, of course, be great for Line in the development of their blockchain product. And finally, the Crypto Watch. Thanks to Dean for sending me one of these sweet watches. Pretty cool. Nice. I like that it's metal and it's got all the fun cryptocurrencies on there. Anyway, there'll be a link down below if you guys want to check out some more information about the Crypto Watch. That's all from the Crypto Lark for today. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.